see, we had no entrances to the land going to this middle section right here. Took the brush cutter, and you can kind of see how I've cleared through here. It's really good with if you keep it around, you know, 1/2 inch up to maybe 2 inches. Start getting to 3 inch, you know, something like 4 inch like that. That's kind of hard on the unit, but smaller stuff you definitely can go through pretty quickly on it. You say I kind of did my best. Excuse me, sinus is acting up now. Anyways, I just kind of kept on easing my way back here. Found me a trail. Was trying to get to this water source, or say a little thing of water that we had back here. Thought it might be, you know, I don't know, a pond, or might could turn into a pond. But anyways, finally made my way back here, going through this. Again, if you can stay away from these bigger trees, I mean, I definitely wouldn't probably suggest that. That's really getting too big. You know, something like that right there is good. Those smaller ones, let me see, that one's probably about a 30 inch. You know, that's probably about the biggest that I tried to stay at cutting. But this is what we've been trying to get to for a while now. We knew it was showing up on the land, but we just didn't know. Didn't have a way to get to it. I guess we could have, but we didn't attempt to get to it. But so basically, working with this right here, I'm gonna try to keep easing around here and opening up all the way around this right here and just see what we got, and we go from there. The creek kind of goes this path here and goes all the way back around our land, comes way down there towards where we got our place, a little cabin we have. Anyways, this is the bad boy that did all the work here. It's really nice. It's got air conditioning, and highly suggest it. Anyways, y'all follow, like. I should have some more footage I'll be recording.